Dear students, in 8th class you have already studied about a plus b whole squared, a minus b whole squared, a squared minus b squared, and x plus a into x plus b type of algebraic expression. By using formula you can know how to expand those type of expressions. So now in this class we shall study about a plus b plus c whole square type of algebraic expression. So once again recall, you have studied a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Before going to the next identity, recall how to expand 3x plus 2y whole square. So you know that this is in the form of a plus b whole square, isn't it? So therefore, by using formula, we can expand. Let us see how we can expand 3x plus 2y whole square. Here, a is 3x, b is 2y. Apply the same in the formula. You know that a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So here we have to substitute instead of a 3x, instead of b 2y. I am given the different color for a red, b green to understand clearly. Okay, so now substitute. Here 3x plus 2y whole squared. Here instead of a we have to substitute 3x. Isn't it? 2ab. Here a is 3x, b is 2y, b square 2y whole square. So here put bracket is very important, because don't 2y square. If you don't put bracket, then it becomes 2y square. 2y squared is 2y square. 2y whole squared is 2y into 2y. So instead of b, here we are substituting 2y. So therefore bracket is very important. Instead of b, we are substituting 2y. Instead of b, we are substituting 3x. And here this box is not necessary. So to substitute, to understand, I have given to make attractive, I have put this type of box. No need of putting box. Okay. So here 3x whole squared. 3x whole squared means 3x into 3x, then it becomes 9x squared. Okay. Here multiply 3x into 2, 6x into 2, 12y. So 12xy. 12xy. This is not 24. 12xy. 12xy. Make correction this. 12xy. Here 2y whole squared. 4y squared. So 9x squared, 12xy, 4y squared. This is the expansion of this a 3x plus 2y whole squared. Okay. Now we shall come to the, so 3x plus 2y whole squared equal to 9x squared plus 12xy, not 24xy, plus 4y squared. So solve yourself. One more problem is given here. So here instead of a given 5m, instead of b given 7n. For 5m plus 7n whole squared. By using this, expand. Try to solve yourself. Now proof of formula a plus b whole squared. So a plus b plus c whole squared equal to, it means a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. 2 squared means 2 into 2. A squared means a into a. Similarly, a plus b plus c whole squared equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Now multiply. You know how to multiply the algebraic expressions. A into a, you will get a square. Similarly, a into b, you will get ab. A into c, you will get ac. Similarly, now start from b. B into a, ab, ba, one and the same, because commutative property is holds good under multiplication. 4 into 3, 3 into 4. So therefore a into b, b into a, one and the same. So therefore b into a, ab. B into b, b squared. B into c, bc. Okay. So now start from c. C into a, ca, RAC, one and the same. C into B, BC, RCB, one and the same. C into C, C square. Now here A squared rearrange plus B squared plus C squared. Here AB is there, so 2AB. AC is there, 2AC. So BC is there, 2BC. So therefore A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. CA or AC, one and the same. So therefore expansion of A plus B whole squared is, therefore expansion of A plus B plus C whole squared is A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So therefore A plus B plus C whole squared equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is the another identity, A plus B plus C whole squared. So A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. A plus B plus C whole squared equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now we shall move to the next. So here we can prove geometrically also. A beautiful proof is there. Here a square is there. This length is A, this is B, this is C. So therefore total this length is A plus B plus C. This side is also A plus B plus C. So therefore you know that area of the square is side into side. So therefore area of this big square is A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. That is nothing but A plus B plus C whole square. Now what it? Expansion. If you expand, what we will get? So let us see. So therefore the area of this square is A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole square, the area of this big square. Now cut this square according to the length A, according to the length B, according to the length C. You will get some squares and some rectangles. Let us see. So now this side is A, this side is A. You will get A squared. Area of this is A squared. So now this is B, this is A. So therefore area of this rectangle is AB. Again this is another rectangle. So this have same area. So this is A, this is B. So therefore this is AB. So 2AB. So b square, this is b, this is b squared. So if you consider this, then you will get a plus b whole squared. A plus b whole squared equal to a squared 2 plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So continue now. Now this is C, this is A. So therefore this area is AC, and another here rectangle you will get. This is A, this is C, AC. So 2AC, you will get 2AC. Here another rectangle comes. This is B, this is C, this area is BC. This area is BC. So now this is 1 square remains. This is nothing but C into C, C squared. So therefore, A plus B plus C whole squared equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So therefore, A plus B plus C whole squared equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is the expansion by using geometrical method. Okay. So now let us take one problem. 3x plus 4y plus 5z whole squared. So now this is in the form of a plus b plus c whole squared. So now apply a equal to 3x, b equal to 4y, c equal to 5z. Now apply the formula for the same. So now a plus b plus c whole squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. So here instead of a 3x is there, instead of b 4y is there, instead of c 5z is there. So therefore 3x plus 4y plus 5z whole squared equal to, substitute here a, substitute here b, substitute here c, here a, here b, here 2bc, here 2ca. So fill the blanks here, that's all. So instead of a 3x, instead of b 4y, instead of c 5z, 2ab 3x 4y, 2bc 2 4y into 5z, 2ca 2 5z into 3x. So now 3x whole squared means 3x into 3x, you will get 9x squared. 4y into 4y, 16y squared. 5z into 5z, 25z squared. 3 into 2, 6 into 4, 24xy. 2 into 4, 8, 8 is 40yz. 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30zx. So therefore, a plus b plus c whole squared, instead of 3x plus 4y plus 5z whole squared equal to 9x squared, 16y squared plus 25z squared, 24xy, 40yz. This is not a plus b plus c whole square. This is 3x plus 4y plus 5z whole square equal to 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 25z squared plus 24xy plus 40yz. Now evaluation. Solve these problems. I think you are clear about this. Solve these problems in your home. 2l plus 5m minus 3z whole squared. So I am given hint. If a, instead of a, this is red color is given 2l, this is b, this is c, this is c, minus c is z. So similarly this is a, this is b, this is c. So try to solve this problem, and another activity I will give. Try to get formula to expansion of a plus b plus c d whole squared. You know that a plus b whole squared. Similarly now we will learn a plus b plus c whole squared. So now try to find the formula a plus b plus c d whole squared, and also try to prove by using drawing paper or color as I shown in geometrically. Prove geometrically also. Thanking you.